and welcome. My name is Chef Peter, professional chef, and today I will show you how to make a turkey stuffing. And first we start off with our first ingredients. We have 4 tablespoons of butter, which is about a half a stick, and we bring it to a melt in our pan. Now we add our 6 sliced mushrooms to it. And our cup of chopped celery. And we saute it all nicely in the pan. When we got this all heated up and nice sauteed, we add our chicken broth to it. And bring it all to a nice boil. Add our tablespoon of sage. And our salt and pepper seasoning. While this is coming to a boil, we can add our barbecue bread and put it in a bowl and put our hot ingredients with the liquid all over the bread and mix it all up together. Now this came to a boil and we can add it all to our bread. Our bread will soak up all the liquid really nicely and create a beautiful consistency for our stuffing, which combines it very nice and smooth together. When we got all the ingredients nicely mixed up together, we are ready to put them in our fire-resistant forms and bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees, or you can use them as stuffing for your turkey or your chicken, whatever you desire. Et voila, I will see you again in 30 minutes. Welcome back, my name is Chef Peter. 30 minutes are over and our turkey stuffing should be ready and golden brown, and we are ready to take it out of the oven. And here we go, our beautiful traditional turkey stuffing. Et voila, our beautiful turkey stuffing, it's ready to serve.